You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
Welcome back, guys. Alright, so for the last couple days we've been doing intervals, and yesterday was pretty high intense of just all out going fast. So today we're going to do some stair climbing. We're going to try to keep the tension on and really burn some calories here. But we're going to go into, I like the stair climbing because it works a lot of handles. It works biceps, triceps, back, chest. All right, in addition to the legs. This machine always works your legs, but stair climbing is up there pretty high on the resistance level. So I love Bowflex. Love my iPhone watch. If you guys don't have an iPhone watch and you're into sports, get one of these. Heart rate, I can't even, one day we'll go through how many sports it covers. It's ridiculous. So, if you didn't warm up, hit pause, get your warm up, come back. Don't need nobody getting hurt. I'm going to click through and find the stairs, and when I do, we are going to start. So let me click through program. That's the 21. That's the power interval, core goal, steady pace, which we did yesterday, calorie burn, which we have done, fat burn. Don't worry, we'll be coming back to these. And now we have stairs. All right, 3, 2, 1, hit it. Remember, stairs starts off on 14, goes to 16, 18, 20. 6 stages of repeating itself. Sure, I got the iPhone watch going for the heart rate. Bowflex has the heart rate also. I just like to compare the two. I just jumped up to 16. I'm tired today, guys. I work just like you. I make these videos after I come home out of the oil field. Matter of fact, just jumped up to 18. I was sitting on the couch, falling asleep, before I just jumped up for my workout. $50 calories. 155 on the heart. Resistance to 20. Still in stage 1. I'm breathing heavy already. Got my hat again. I'll be sweating like a pig. We're in stage 2. Just jumped up to 16. If you have one of these machines and you're working out with me, just do the best you can. 100 calories already. Boy, I'm tired today. I'm gonna fight through it now. Told you, I'm not one of the models for Bowflex. Real life, real deal. I'm not gonna skip my workout. It's because I'm tired. Resistance of 20. Still in stage 2. All right, stage 3. $162 on the heart. It's another thing, guys. If you're tired, don't use that as an excuse not to work out. Because when you get done, you're going to feel better. $170 calories. Resistance 16, still stage 3. A 15-minute workout, guys. This one up to resistance of 18. $109 calories. Keep cranking. Up to 20 on the resistance. $200 calories. 205, to be exact. Halfway there. Stage 4. $165 on the heart rate. Boy, I'm breathing heavy today. Don't matter if you have a Bowflex, guys. You got an elliptical, treadmill, stationary bike, you need someone to work out with, hit play. Work out with me. Stage 4 still. Resistance of 16. I don't know what's worse, sprinting or climbing stairs. 250 calories. Still in stage 4. Less than 6 minutes to go. You can slow down, but don't quit. The only person you quit is yourself. Don't do that. Resistance of 20. 271 calories. We're doing good. Really working my biceps right now. Stage 5. Oh, I'm feeling it. It happens, guys. Sometimes you come home and you're just tired. You gotta fight through it. 300 calories. That's inspirational. Early the beginning part of stage 5. Good deal. Remember guys, this is the real deal. That's why I put a camera on my control panel. So you can see what I'm doing. So you know I'm not bullshitting. We're pushing, man. Resistance of 18. Stage 5. 167 on the heart rate. Resistance of 20. Last part of stage 5. Get up there, come on. You're at 50 calories. Yeah. Stay with me, guys. Last stage. Comes a 2-minute warning. There it is. We're in stage 6. $170 on the heart rate. Come on, Lord. Get me through it. $18 on the resistance. 309 calories. One minute to go. Don't quit. Care if you have to crawl. Get across the finish line. Last stage. Resistance of 20. 30 seconds. $15. Don't be a quitter. 10 seconds. Would you dare quit? 5, 3, 2, 1. 424 calories. If you stuck with it, be proud of yourself. Let me stop my iPhone. Guys, it's no joke, man. I said it before. Bowflex. It's the real deal. You know, I'm not here to sell these, but if Bowflex wants to advertise with me, that's fine. If iPhone wants to advertise with me, that's fine. Whoever wants to advertise. Someone wants to give us permission to use their music to work out, that'd be awesome. I would love somebody like Ryan Upchurch or somebody like that, or like a country rap or something. High tempo. It'd be great. Alright, if you stuck with it, give yourself a round of applause. Good job.